Are you finding it tough to manage bookings and appointments in an e-commerce store? In this video, we will list out some of the best WooCommerce booking and appointment plugins that will help you manage online booking without hassles. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification icon, so you don't miss out on great content related to WordPress and WooCommerce. WooCommerce Bookings plugin is one of the most obvious choices when it comes to WooCommerce booking and appointment plugins. It offers seamless integration with your WooCommerce store and offers powerful features to help you out. Customers in your store will be able to book appointments, rentals and make reservations easily. You can define the time slots available for booking, and customers will be able to choose. Overall, the plugin offers a lot of control to store owners to execute a robust booking strategy and maintain good customer experience. Amelia is a simple yet powerful automated booking specialist, working 24/7 to make sure your customers can book appointments or events and pay online even while you sleep. The Amelia WordPress booking plugin will fully automate the interaction with potential customers, help them pick the right service and employee, and take care of the payments. It also helps in sending real-time SMS reminders both for the customer and employee for booked, canceled, or rescheduled appointments. This is another popular choice when it comes to integrating booking and appointment capability on your WooCommerce store. WooCommerce Bookings and Appointments plugin offers a range of features to help you configure a flexible booking schedule on your store. Interestingly, the plugin will help you set up recurring bookings, as well as multiple non-adjacent bookings. Furthermore, it has comprehensive features to help you set up booking availability and manage costs. You can easily create an online booking system on your store with the help of YITH Booking and Appointment for WooCommerce plugin. It helps you create a booking system for a range of services and you can easily manage the schedules for each. Moreover, it offers convenient options to search and filter bookings on your store. Also, it has several customization options to let you execute a perfect strategy for your booking system. Bookly offers advanced features to configure and customize bookings on your store. With multiple payment options, automated notifications, Google Calendar sync, customizable booking form, etc., it will make your booking management process a breeze. Furthermore, there are several add-ons that will help you incorporate additional features and functionality to your booking system. Booked is a simple plugin that will help you manage bookings effortlessly in your WooCommerce store. It will integrate smoothly with your WooCommerce store, and offers you flexible options to execute your store strategy. You can create multiple calendars with unique time slots and assign each to the right resource. It gives you the flexibility to offer guest users an option to make a booking in your store. Moreover, you can customize the look and feel of the calendar and create custom fields to gather relevant information from customers. Overall, this is a smooth and simple option to create a booking system on WooCommerce. To manage bookings and rentals on your store, this plugin is a great option. It will help you add unlimited rental products on your store and manage their cost aspects easily. Moreover, it gives an option where customers will be able to negotiate the pricing by submitting a quote request. Also, it offers several customization options to create a unique rental booking system on your store. You can manage bookings and reservations on your site easily with the help of Booking and Appointment plugin for WooCommerce. It is a suitable option for various types of bookings such as event bookings, appointments, rentals, etc. Moreover, you can transform any of your WooCommerce product types into a bookable product. And, it even supports subscriptions and product bundles. With the help of this plugin, you can display a booking calendar on your site's front end, which customers can use to choose their preferred booking date. You can customize the available booking options and customize the display format. More importantly, PinPoint booking system integrates well with WooCommerce and gives you an option to integrate coupons, deposits, etc. Also, the plugin provides you with an option to create customizable booking forms. This is another advanced plugin that will give you a lot of options for appointment bookings on your WooCommerce store. With the help of WooCommerce Appointments plugin, you can create a flexible appointment pattern with upfront payment or just confirmation. Moreover, it will integrate perfectly with WooCommerce and provides you with several features to manage appointments effortlessly. We hope these WooCommerce booking and appointment plugins will help you configure a customer-friendly booking option on your store. Find links for all plugins in the description. Check out learnwoo.com for more articles, videos and resources related to WordPress and WooCommerce. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on our social media channels. Do let us know in the comments section if you want us to cover a specific topic, or if you have any ideas or suggestions.